My name is Dennis Jacobsen and this is the Business Leadership Academy. This video is about Leaders What's Next and why you should attend. Leaders What's Next is a program for you who have aspirations to become the next senior manager in the organization. You who have been through the basics of leadership trainings, you who've been a leader for a number of years, and who now wants to take the next step into what we call the last circle of the organization. You know, at this point in time, there's a little bit of a stretch in there between who are you, what can you achieve, and when will you get there? Do I really need to sit here and wait for 5, 10, 15 years to be promotable, you might think? And my answer to you is not exactly, and I actually think you can do it faster. Therefore, Leaders What's Next. You see, some of the things that we want you to learn is applicable right away. So contrary to if you take an MBA, which could also be an alternative for you right now, but which is a one-size-fits-all, this is a program which actually goes straight to the heart of who you are and what you potentially could become. You will be asking people who are senior from you as to what is it you need to learn and to which standard do you do it. You would actually go out and ask the organization, do I do my best? And then get feedback so you can tailor your future, both learning but also development, maturing, so that it matches what the organization needs and wants. There's a great deal of humbleness in all of this, but what it also tells you and the organization is that you take your development serious. You want to be it a matter of a design rather than a hope or just a random process where one day you might show up. You see, I understand that you might be busy these years. You are busy at work, you're busy at home, you might be starting to establish yourself, and you got a lot of commitments going for you, and all that packed into a, let's say, busy week. Now, how do you get time to sit down and actually evaluate and design what is it you need to do? That's what we do and how we help you at Leaders What's Next. The principle of it is that we need you to learn about what other people, what do they do, how are they, what is the dynamics, their preferences. I want you to understand more about yourself. Where is it that either you stick out, so to speak? Where is it that you rub people the wrong way? Where is it your strengths are? I want you to make sure that you understand what a team is so you can get that to work not only as you being around the table, but also you can design it on multiple locations. I want you to be able to understand the organization, how it works in the politics up and downwards, sideways, and how you can actually position yourself. And then I want you to go home and start learning and implementing all the new stuff that we brought to you. I want you to make visible differences basically month by month so that in a shorter period of time you evolve and you actually make yourself available to become promoted, and people start taking notice of you and saying, here's something we cannot miss. Leaders What's Next should be your stepping stone to at least to become a candidate for promotion. If not right now, maybe just in a couple of years' time, instead of maybe 5, 10 years away from now. So we're here to actually make leadership training a valuable proposition for you. So why not join Leaders What's Next?